Here today we have the 3025E compact utility tractor from John Deere. It has a factory installed 300E loader with bucket attached. This unit comes equipped with a standard 4-wheel drive. It has an e-hydro transmission with twin touch pedals for ease of use. It has onboard diagnostics including Service Advisor. This unit has the iMatch hitch. You can see the rear blade is attached currently. It has a 540 PTO, 3-point arms. We have a variety of attachments to go with this tractor. Please stop in and see us today.